Hi folks, this is KD1MU and I'm here to talk about the DM-4R radio that we sell in our store. As I said on Facebook, the programming software latest release now can import OpenGD77 CSV files. That gives us access to lots of plugins that are available in OpenGD77 format. We just need to export them as CSVs and then load them into the programming software. There's another side effect, and that's that we can import repeater book database entries into our radio by downloading them or exporting them from repeater book. And I'll show an example of us doing that using the OpenGD77 format. So if we go to repeater book and we select North America downloads, we're going to do Massachusetts because that's where I live. And we're going to do 2 meter repeaters. So here's our list of 2 meter repeaters. If we wanted to do 2 and 70 centimeter repeaters, we'd have to merge them together in an Excel file. And we'll do that in another video. But here we select the export format as OpenGD77 by selecting radio oddity and then the OpenGD77 export format. And once we do that, we will get a file that is in the OpenGD77 format, and we can now go into the programming software and select channels, and it now allows us to import and export CSVs, but at the bottom we can import OpenGD77 CSV files, specifically the channel files in this case. So we go and we find that file that was channels in OpenGD77 channel format. All the repeaters, all the 2 meter repeaters that we exported from repeater book are now in our programming software. Now if we look in the channel list and select one of the channels, we can see for the digital channels that we don't have contacts in receive lists in the channel. Now we can go back and edit that later, but we at least have all the repeaters from repeater book in the software. So we're going to go and write this. First we have to select the proper COM channel, and then we just write the file out to the radio that I have connected to my computer. Now I'm going to shorten this download a little bit so we don't have to watch the whole thing. And once we get the software, the channels downloaded into the radio, we can go to the radio and we can see that all of those channels that we pulled out of repeater book are now in our radio. Now we have to go through and add contacts, and we have to add receive lists to get this to really work properly for the digital channels. But we have them in there, and it's very easy to do.